Panoorin natin to ha. Tatapikin ni Wainwright to. Ayun oh. Pinatalbog sa hita ni Sigel and then boom. Nagpanggaan yung mga tuhod. Nakalapit ng Shell sa lamang ng San Miguel. Natapik ang bola. Wait. Season picks up the loose ball.
Singson is hurt. Singson is hurt.
Singson is hurt. He's down on the floor. He may have gotten his knee bumped. Doon kay Danny Sigel and he is holding on to his calf.
30-second
Or maybe to his hamstring. Pero ang ganda ng tapik ni Wainwright. And a 30-second timeout. Panoorin natin to ha. Tatapikin ni Wainwright to. Ayun oh. Pinatalbog sa hita ni Sigel and then boom. Nagpanggaan yung mga tuhod. That slow-mo action was brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Sayang at maganda ng kinakamada ni Singson dito, Dr. J.
That's right. That's right.
And now,
He had scored 6 points in that run of theirs. No?
timeout means time for San Mig Light, the low-calorie beer. Only $12.50 at a store near you. 4:21 na lamang po ang ating itatakbo dito sa laban na to. An 8-point lead for San Miguel. They have never trailed in this game. They led in the first quarter 18-5.